Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Louise. I'm Louise. Since we are in the middle of the holiday season, today's episode is dedicated to holiday entertaining. We have an assortment of amazing products that I'm sure you'll need for your next party, and I am super excited about what's in the bag. Any guesses?
Hey!
Can you say charcuterie? Because this is our charcuterie accessory set and what came in the bag. So charcuterie is just a fancy French word for a meat and cheese platter. So these are all the pieces that came in the bag. 2 little bowls with little spoons. This is perfect for things like olives, little pickles, chutneys, any accompaniment to go with your meat and cheese platter. Also comes with these cheese knives, these little cheese picks, and the place cards that you can write, like this says cheddar, and you stick it in your cheese. So, are you ready to see a charcuterie platter all done up? Here we go. Ta-da! Here you have my version of a charcuterie platter. As you can see, I have an assortment of meats, cheeses, crackers, and some olives. I made this on our Lazy Susan, but if you need more room, our stoneware entertaining platter would do the trick. All right, so what goes with cheese and crackers? Wine, of course. So we have 2 different style wine bottle openers. The first one I want to show you is our electric wine bottle opener. So this is the foil cutter, and it's actually the stand. This is rechargeable, so it'll come with a cord so that you can plug it in and recharge the batteries. So the first step we want to do is use the back side to cut the foil. And all you do is set it on, push the button down. Easiest wine bottle opener ever. There we go. And then to get it out, you just push it the other direction and it'll come right out for you. There we go. Now you do know with red wine, it's supposed to breathe for at least an hour in the bottle. Or you could decant it into a separate vessel. But we have just the trick. We have an aerator. So this fits right on the bottle like this. And when you pour it out, it will aerate your wine as you're pouring it. The second wine bottle opener we have comes in this cute little fabric pouch. And it is, again, a manual wine bottle opener, but super easy to operate. So it comes with its own little foil cutter as well. And now we're going to open a bottle of white wine, which is my personal favorite. So we're just going to cut the foil. Okay, why isn't it not cutting the foil? Cut the foil. And then we just place it on the top, press down, pull up. Boop, there we go. To get the cork off, you just push it down, hold it. There you go. Now, when you're having your dinner parties and you're sitting around the table and you want to keep your wine cool, we have a champagne and wine bottle chiller. So the way this works is you just put this in your freezer. I actually personally keep mine in the freezer so it'll always be nice and chilled whenever you need it. And this is the little stand to collect any condensation. And so all you do is you put your nicely chilled bottle of wine in the wine chiller, and you can have this on the table or on the counter and it'll keep your wine nice and cool for you. So I did mention that this will also hold a champagne bottle. We also have a champagne bottle opener that will help you to open your bottles of champagne without exploding the cork. And we carry this perfect little champagne topper. So this will keep your champagne nice and bubbly in the refrigerator for a few days. Now let's say you are heading out to a party and you want to take a bottle of wine for yourself. We have a wine bag. So you just unzip it, put your wine in there, zip it up, throw it over your shoulder, and off you go to the party. The next product I want to show you is actually a wine gift bag. It comes in two colors. It comes in the pretty silver and it comes in the gold. So you can just put your bottle of wine in here, slap a cute tag on it, and you have a lovely hostess gift. There you have an assortment of fabulous products that you'll need for your next holiday and entertaining parties. Please make sure to give me some thumbs up. Be sure to ring the bell so you are notified of any of my upcoming videos, and please share. Happy holidays, everyone. Oh, I need a wine glass now, Craig. Let's get a wine glass. See how it comes out bubbly and aerated for your optimum drinking pleasure.